I've spent the last 10 years studying one topic more than anything else: money. From earning a finance degree, to becoming a qualified accountant, to working inside investment banking, I've seen exactly how wealthy people treat money and how the average person unintentionally destroys their financial future. Today, I'm breaking down 9 money habits that keep people poor, and more importantly, how you can break free from them starting today. Some of these will surprise you and some might even hurt, but every one of them can completely change your financial life. First up, the biggest habit separating the rich from the poor is incredibly simple: paying yourself last. When you get paid, who do you pay first? Most people do this. Rent goes out, then bills, then groceries, subscriptions, going out, and then whatever is left, they save. But spoiler alert, there's usually nothing left. Rich people just flip the order. They pay themselves first at least 10% of their income the second that money hits their bank account. They treat saving like a non-negotiable bill. If you only change one habit this year, let it be this one. The second habit is getting comfortable with bad debt. Let's be honest, debt has become the normal lifestyle. People use credit cards for clothes, gadgets, eating out, even for gifts. And they do and realize they're paying 22% interest for things they barely even remember buying a month later. Here is a rule wealthy people live by: if you can buy it in cash, you can afford it. Credit card companies want you to be financially irresponsible. They literally profit when you don't understand how dangerous debt is. Don't fall for it. Third on the list is having no more emergency buffer. You've probably heard this before: you need an emergency fund. But the real reason isn't just safety, it's freedom. When you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved up, you stop making decisions out of fear. You stop relying on credit cards for every little problem. And you stop panicking every single time your car, your phone, or your life breaks down. This buffer is only possible when you follow that first rule: pay yourself first. See how these habits build on each other? Number 4 is a big one: not tracking your income and the expenses. If you don't know your numbers, you simply don't know your life. Most people just guess what they earn, guess what they spend, and then guess why they're always broke at the end of the months. Wealthy people, on the other hand, track everything. They know their income, their expenses, their assets, their liabilities, and their goals, all in black and white. Because here's the truth: you cannot improve what you do not measure. Lifestyle inflation quietly destroys more people's financial futures than poverty ever will. The more you earn, the more you spend unless you stay aware of your numbers. This leads us right into habit number 5. Expensive habits that drain your future. All that shopping, dining out, those expensive hobbies, they feel harmless in the moment, right? But hundreds of dollars become thousands. And thousands of dollars become years of lost financial progress. To grow financially, you really only have 2 options. You can save more of what you earn, or you can earn more than you spend. The ideal path: you do both. Saving alone has a limit, but earning, that has none. This is exactly why you must build valuable skills, increase your income, and eventually, create multiple streams of income. Habit number 6 is believing that saving alone will make you wealthy. Most people think saving money is the key to wealth. It's not. I'm sorry to break it to you, but you can't coupon your way to financial freedom. You can't budget your way to millions. Saving is the foundation. It's absolutely critical, but earning more is the engine that drives real growth. Think about it. There is no more cap on how much you can earn, but your savings percentage has a ceiling. To build real, lasting wealth, you must do both: save aggressively and earn more intentionally. Next up, number 7, overpaying taxes without even realizing it. Taxes are the single biggest expense of your entire life, bigger than your rent, your food, or any debt you have. Wealthy people legally reduce their taxes because they understand the rules of the game. They use things like tax-advantaged accounts, whether that's an ISA or a Roth IRA. They use business structures, they look for deductions, and they do proper planning. If you're paying more tax than you need to, that's money you could be using to invest, to build wealth, and to support the causes you value. Never ignore tax planning. It's not cheating the system, it's just being smart. The 8th habit is one of the most painful ones that keeps people poor: waiting too long to invest. They do a great job saving money, but they never actually invest it. You hear all the excuses: you don't have enough to start, or I don't know how, or my personal favorite, I'll start next year. Maybe they're just scared of losing money. But meanwhile, inflation is quietly stealing the value of their cash every single year. Once you have your emergency fund fully saved, you must start investing. Stocks, index funds, ETFs, even small, consistent amounts matter more than you think. The longer you wait, the harder you'll have to work to reach the exact same result. And finally, habit number 9. This one might sting a little. It's not chatting about money, and then wondering why you're stuck. So many people say they want more money, but they never take the time to learn how money actually works. Wealthy people are obsessed with understanding money, how to grow it, how to protect it, where to put it, and how to manage it. Financial knowledge is the most valuable skill you will ever learn in your life. If you ignore it, you stay stuck. But if you master it, you change everything. If you recognized any of these habits in yourself, don't panic. Everyone starts somewhere. The goal isn't to be perfect overnight. The goal is to be better than you were last year. If you want a full, deep dive video on taxes or different investing strategies, let me know down in the comments. And if you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe to Invest Mindset for more video that help you earn more, save better, and build real wealth. Thanks for watching.